Hi, what's your name?
My name is Rishi, Banjade.
Rishi Banjade.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 27.
27. Married?
Yep.
How many children do you have?
One
One child.
girl.
How old?
2.5 years old.
2.5 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you work before any other country?
Yeah.
Which country?
Qatar. In Qatar.
Okay. In Qatar, what work you did?
I'm as a senior sales executive. I'm working as a senior sales executive in Qatar for just like 3.5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now this is the job in a dairy farm, okay?
Okay.
Like a packing, you have to work for the milk product, okay?
Okay.
Dairy product, in the dairy product, okay?
Okay.
It's a cold place. Do you think that you can work in a cold place?
I'll do it now.
Okay, sure.
Yep.
You are a hardworking person?
Obviously.
Because we want the hardworking person, not the
Yeah.
lazy one.
Yeah.
You have to work 12 hours per day.
Okay.
Agree for this?
Yeah.
Okay. And how many years you want to work if you go there?
2, 3, 4, whatever it is. I mean, if I'm eligible, then I'll go more than 5.
Okay.
If not, then let me see.
Okay. And at least you have to complete 2 years.
Okay.
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 And you are medically fit?
Yep.
No any medical problem?
No problem. No problem at all.
Okay. And uh, what is your school education?
Ma'am, I'm just doing my 12th because of some circumstances. I didn't do bachelor's.
Okay.
My
But class 12 pass?
yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.